District Khanewal, located in South Punjab, is known for its vibrant agriculture and strong sense of community awareness. Within this district lies Tehsil Jahania, a rural region where dreams of education are often challenged by limited resources. But in May 2023, a transformative project was launched aimed at addressing these challenges and bringing the cutting-edge schooling to the most vulnerable segments of society through technology. With the collaboration between Rahmat Foundation, Taaleem Foundation and the School Education Department of South Punjab, the project of affordable schooling for the vulnerable, e-school solution for Khanewal was launched. 7 schools in Jahania were initially selected for this groundbreaking initiative with the financial support of Rahmat Foundation. The Rahmat Foundation is founded by Dr. Ghulam Qadir Metla in the memory of his son who has moved to heaven. Dr. Ghulam Qadir of Jahania is settled in the US with his wife Dr. Huda Zinati, who felt the pain associated with such underprivileged areas. The number increased to 40 e-schools within a span of 1 year. These schools have been transformed into EdTech-enabled e-schools, equipped with smart interactive whiteboards, multimedia projectors, laptops and internet connectivity, adequately supplemented by related software and the learning management system. This project wasn't just about providing hardware and software, it was about revolutionizing education landscape in the region. In addition to technology, the teachers were trained in the 21st century skills by experts, ensuring they could maximize the potential of these tools. At the heart of Jahania, a state-of-the-art teacher training facility was established at the Office of Deputy District Education Officer, empowering educators to lead their classrooms with confidence and expertise.
डिजिटलाइजेशन का ये जो सफ़र है इसका आगाज़ गर्ल्स मिडिल स्कूल 112 टैनार से हुआ और ये हमारे लिए अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत ही एजाज़ की बात है, जिसकी वजह से हमारे बच्चे आज इस काबिल हैं कि वो जदीद टेक्नोलॉजी को इस्तेमाल करते हुए अपनी सलाहियतों को निखार सकते हैं।
मेरे लिए इंटरेक्टिव बोर्ड के ज़रिए पढ़ाना साइंस को बहुत आसान हो गया है, बच्चों का इंटरेस्ट बहुत डेवलप हो गया है। पहले रवायती तरीके से हम लोग पढ़ाते थे, बुक से देख के और डायग्राम्स बनानी और बच्चों को सही तरह से समझ नहीं आती थी। लाइक ह्यूमन सिस्टम्स हैं, जैसे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है, उनके पार्ट्स को हम विजुलाइज कर सकते हैं, तो बच्चों में बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट डेवलप हुआ है।
In just a little more over a year, the project has achieved a remarkable milestone. Jahania became the first tehsil in Pakistan where 100% of girls' middle schools were equipped with the most advanced teaching tools. Of School on Wheels was rolled out that brought the same facilities to students in remote areas. The School on Wheels initiative has been a game changer, overcoming the logistical hurdles of bringing advanced education to hard-to-reach communities. As a result, hundreds of students now have access to world-class education right at their doorstep.
मेरा नाम सोनिया है, मैं जहानिया में रहती हूँ। हम जहानिया में जो भी आला स्कूल्स हैं, प्राइवेट स्कूल्स हैं, उनमें जो भी तालीम दी जाती है वो अब हमारे सरकारी स्कूल में भी मौजूद है, वो तालीम दी जा रही है। हम रहमत फाउंडेशन और तालीम फाउंडेशन का बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं कि वो उनकी वजह से हमारे गरीब बच्चों को बहुत अच्छी तालीम दी जाती है।
The progress of the project has been nothing short of remarkable. Within this short period, it has enhanced students' interest in learning and significantly improved their learning outcomes. Teachers now deliver more efficient lessons using the e-school solution from Taaleem Foundation, and the impact is evident in the classroom. On September 23, 2024, a special event was organized by the Education Department in Jahania to celebrate the success of the project and express gratitude to the key players, Rahmat Foundation and Taaleem Foundation. The event was attended by the district government officials, CEO of District Education Authority Khanewal, district administration representatives and key stakeholders from the community. Together, they acknowledged the transformative role these organizations are playing in uplifting education in the region. The financial support provided by Rahmat Foundation of Dr. Ghulam Qadir Metla and Dr. Huda Zinati has been pivotal in making this vision a reality. Their dedication to improving education for vulnerable communities is a true payback to society and has set an example for the rest of the nation. One of the key enablers of this transformation has been the strong support from the School Education Department of South Punjab. Their continued collaboration ensured that the project stayed on track, allowing the best results to be delivered in schools across Jahaniya Tehsil. Together, they are setting a benchmark for modern, inclusive education.
रहमत फाउंडेशन और तालीम फाउंडेशन के लिए हम तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हैं कि उन्होंने जहानिया के लिए अपनी मोहब्बत का इजहार किया और हमें स्मार्ट बोर्ड, प्रोजेक्टर्स, लैपटॉप्स 100% मिडिल गर्ल्स स्कूल में और 50% प्राइमरी स्कूल्स में दिए।
इनके तवस्सुत से हमारी इस तहसील को ये इम्तियाजी पोजीशन हासिल हुई कि पंजाब में पहली ये तहसील है जो डिजिटलाइज की गई है। और इस मौके पर मैं अपने तलबा को और साथियों को ये मैं एडवाइस करूँगा कि सही मानों में इससे मुस्तफ़ीद हूँ और जिस मकसद के लिए उन्होंने ये डोनेशन दी है उसके जो समरात है सही मानों तक अपनी कौम तक पहुँचाएँ, बच्चों को मुस्तफ़ीद करें और कॉन्फिडेंट नेशन जो है वो उसकी तामीर में अपना।
The impact of this project goes beyond what is visible today. It is the integration of AI-powered tools of information technology into the classrooms that is helping students through fun, play and learn mode and prepare themselves to compete on a global scale. These smart solutions using artificial intelligence allow students to learn in ways that were once unimaginable, giving them the skills they need for the 21st century workplace. The digital revolution in education is here, and it's bridging the gap for rural and underserved communities. These tools not only make learning more engaging, but also help students develop critical thinking, creativity, self-confidence, and collaboration skills, preparing them for the challenges of tomorrow. Behind this monumental achievement are two visionary leaders. Dr. Ghulam Qadir Metla, chairman of Rahmat Foundation, who envisioned to enlighten this remote area where he has had his primary schooling from. He played a pivotal role in raising resources and funding this initiative. His unwavering commitment to improving education standards has not only uplifted the region, but also set a precedent for others to follow. At the same time, Dr. Zafar Iqbal Qadir, chairman of Taaleem Foundation, believed in the power of education as a tool for engineering social change. His leadership has brought innovative e-school solution to surface and successfully rolled out to several schools across Pakistan, bridging the digital divide and ensuring that no child is left behind. The initiative of providing e-school solution to the vulnerable communities of this rural area of Khan Newal is more than just a success story. It is a testament to what can be achieved when organizations like Rahmat Foundation and Taaleem Foundation come together with a shared vision. Together, they are paving the way for a brighter, more educated future for Pakistan. This is just the beginning, and the journey ahead is filled with even greater promise. Empowering education, empowering lives, one e-school at a time.